The future has never been revealed, but some secrets can be known in advance. Today, you will hold the power of precognition.
The magician opens a mysterious wooden box and takes out 2 folded papers, placing them into the spectator's hands. The spectator follows their feelings and picks 2 wooden shapes from the box. Amazingly, when the papers are opened, they match the chosen shapes exactly. After the performance, both the box and the papers can be freely examined.
This is Precog, presented by Classicho and Paul Carnazzo.
Precog is crafted from selected North American black walnut. The warm texture and elegant grain are paired with waterproof prediction papers and gold painting technique wooden dice, showing true quality. Each set includes 12 square papers with the dice symbols, plus 3 blank papers. They are laminated on both sides, waterproof and durable.
Every dice is carefully engraved, painted, and polished by hand. Every detail carries true craftsmanship.
The slips of paper have embedded iron material, allowing for precise magnetic attraction to the dice. This enables a one-to-one unidirectional lock, ensuring each operation is smooth and secret. The Precog box itself is designed with ultra-precise and clever structure, seamless in form, with everything hidden inside.
Precog is more than a magic tool. It is a piece of art, a performance secret, and a collectible you would never want to put down. Precog, crafted with care, made to see the future.